Right, exciting day today. Gonna go and get some new tyres for the old van. There's nothing quite finishes a look off than a cable tie holding a crappy cover on, is there? But I quite like these hubcaps, so I want to keep them really. So we'll have a little look at the tyres in a moment. Right, that's that. Now, this is one. As you can see, it is well past it. And I've put it off and put it off, but the other day, somewhere, I curbed it and put a... Where is it? I curbed it and put a bit of a flesh wound in it, and I went and looked at it and it was leaking air, so I just managed to get home in time. So that'll be going back on. This grotty spare was a nice Bridgestone. That's pretty cool. That's brand new. So that'll go back on as a spare. Pull those off so they don't need to. I'll put them on when I get back home. But they're all like the original tyre, Michelin's. Like the wording has almost gone. They're probably, these back ones are probably okay, but it wouldn't be long until I'd have to change them, so. And they're a bit crap on the outside. And then the other one at the front, it's taken a bit of a hammering. Sidewalls are a bit cracked and stuff. So I'm going to go to my usual place for tyres and general motoring stuff, which is Auto Quick, down in Aylesford, Forstall Road in Kent. They always do quite a good job. Nice guys down there. So we'll see how we get on. The tyres that we're going to get, I forgot what the measurement is now. It's something like 195/65, either 15 maybe, 15 or 16. Usually go for generals. I've used generals for years. I'm not an aficionado on tyres and tyre makes, but that always seemed to be a good middle of the road tyre, hard wearing, and we'll be going the same again, just on the old van. Doesn't need to be anything super sticky or anything for doing decent 0 to 60s in. And I'm expecting it to cost me 360, 350 maybe, something like that, because I always remember them being about 85, 95 quid. So that's why I've been putting it off, but I've got the MOT coming up soon, a couple of months maybe, and putting the hole in that tyre has forced the issue slightly, which is no problem, and he's doing. And then I've just got, after the tyres, I need a couple of decent jobs to come along, and then I need to get a spare key for the van, for the Peugeot, because when I bought it, it only came with one key, and that's relatively dangerous territory, one key. But it's going to cost me a fortune, isn't it, to go to the main dealer and get a key. I'm expecting it to be 400 quid, which is a massive rip-off, but I don't think you can do it any other way, because you can get someone to make the fob, a new fob, work for you. That's no problem. But the immobiliser thing, you've got to go to the main dealer for that, as far as I know. Tell me if I'm wrong. And I guess that's right, isn't it? You've got to take all your documents with you, so that, because you don't want random people going and making a key for your car. Which would be great, would it? So, not far to go now, and I'll catch up with you afterwards when I've got my brand new boots. Almost exactly an hour later, got 4 new tyres, tracking was done. They don't do generals anymore. Apparently something to do with Brexit. So they've given me Falken, F-A-L-K-E-N. manufacturer, just another cheap brand, I suppose. But it wasn't worst case. I thought it was going to be like 360, something like that. But they did the tracking as well. That was 30 quid, so it came to 320 odd quid at the end, which is okay, I suppose. It seemed a bit quiet in there though. I don't know whether that's cost of living going up or what's going on, but they did seem quieter than normal. Where's the old? There it is. Look, 195 65 15 outside, so it's directional. If you don't know much about tyre markings, and I'm not claiming to be an expert, but I'll link a video above where I go through what all the tyre markings mean. So that's it from the Dadskillz car channel today. Plenty more videos on the channel, from basic car tips to all sorts of advice. So take a look at those, and I'll catch you again. Cheers.